Bye.
Raymond, look, our numbers this month look amazing. We've had record breaking sales and the customers keep asking if we're opening another branch in the city.
Alright, we have grown so much. But expanding to a city would be a huge leap, to be honest. And the problem is that I don't have the funds to make it happen on my own.
So what are you going to do?
I've been thinking about it. If I can find an investor, a rich investor who shares my vision and is willing to help me with the financial side, we could make this dream a reality.
That's a smart move. So do you have anyone in mind?
Actually, I do. I have been following Raquel's work, and she is well known for supporting local business. As you know, she has a great track record of helping startups grow. I think she will be the perfect partner for me.
That sounds promising. So I think you should approach her soon.
You are right. I was setting out a meeting with her and propose an idea. If she is interested, we can take our next step to make our bakery to the next level together. Hey Rakib, please take a seat. This is your coffee.
Sorry guys. Hi Raymond, hi Raquel. Sorry for the late.
Rakib, I'm glad finally we're moving successful move to run with this. But before we start to sign anything, I think it's best to have someone who is experienced, who is Lily. She will help us review the terms and help us draft the document. Is it okay for you?
That sounds good to me. I want everything to be done right.
I have worked with Lily before. She's a business consultant with a lot of experience in partnership agreement, and she's helped me with legal matters in the past. And I trust her to make sure that we've both covered and that the agreement is fair.
I'm interested in that, Raymond. So, can I know what's your proposal?
I've been running my bakery for about 5 years, and as you see, I'm a very successful businessman, and my bakery have bring a lot of profits to me. But now I'm planning to expand my bakery, but I need funding to open a second branch in the city. Here's my proposal that go 5 parts. First one, you only need to invest 200,000 to fund my new branch. And the second one, I will manage all operations. That's means recipes, hiring, customer service, and day-to-day running of the bakery. I will handle for all. That means you just need to invest the 200,000. The third one, you will own 40% of the business, and mine, I will return 60%. Number 4, major business decisions like opening new branches or taking on loans will require both our agreement. And the last one, the most important one, to protect the business, we agree not to start or support any competing bakery business during the partnership.
Yeah, so that sounds fair to me.
Alright, I've gone through the contract and it's like everything is in order. It's important that this agreement is clear in writing. Raymond, your roles and contributions are well defined. Raquel, your financial contribution and ownership rights are also protected.
Yeah, I accept this term. So I think let's put it in a contract and sign it.
Okay, great. I'll finalize the contract and once you both sign it, it will be legally binding. I'll also make sure all terms are clear and protect both of you business as a business partner. So you can sign here. And Ms. Raquel, you can sign right now.
Wow, Raymond, the new branch is a hit. Sales are even better than we projected. But I heard there are rumors about Raquel is opening her own bakery too.
What? They will violate our agreement.
Oh no.
Oh my god, Lily, who is that?
Oh my god, we need to tell Raymond this.
Oh, let's tell him right now.
Okay. Oh my god, Raymond, we have something to tell you. This is gonna be shocking, but I hope you keep calm. Yeah, keep calm. It's true. Raquel just opened her own bakery and it's called Raquel's Bread. It's just 2 streets away from us and it offers similar products, and also some of our customers are going there.
Also found this flyer for Raquel's bread. It says they specialize in artisanal bread, just like us. This violated the non-complete clause in your agreement.
I think I need to call her. Raquel, is it true you have opened another bakery nearby?
Yes, but I don't see the problem here. There's enough demand in the area for both bakeries.
It's a huge problem. Our contract clearly states that we cannot operate or support competing bakeries during our partnership. You are directly harming the business we built together.
I didn't think the agreement would stop me from starting my own bakery.
It's written in black and white, Raquel. This is a breach of our agreement. Then I need to call my famous lawyer friend. Hello Annie, are you free? Oh, you are not free. Maybe we can talk on Google Meet. Is it okay? Alright, thank you so much. We'll see you later. Hi Annie. I have shared the contract with you. So I think Rakil break the fifth rules that I mentioned in the contract. I said that nobody of us is allowed to open another competing bakery, but he do so. So what should I do next?
I have already gone through the documents you submitted to me and the information you shared with me. So based on that, this is my advice to you.
According to Section 10 of Contract Act 1950, all agreements are contract if they are made by parties who are competent with free consent and a lawful object. Essentially, a proposal must be capable of becoming a valid contract under the law. So, in your cases, your proposal to form a business partnership with Rakil to expand your bakery is lawful. Both of you and Rakil are competent parties and the purpose of your partnership is legal. So this ensure your agreement meets the first conditions under the Section 10. Section 30 highlight that agreements must have clear and definite terms. If the terms are uncertain, the agreement could be void. So in your case, you have clearly stated that the terms of your partnerships with Rakil invest RM 200,000 and you will manage the business and both of you agreed to share profits. So you have also included a non-compete clauses which ensure clarity about mutual obligations. These specific and definite terms make your agreement strong and valid under Section 30. Lastly, the Section 4 stated that the communications of offer is complete when it is received and understood by the other party. So, you have already communicated the terms of the partnership to Rakil and she acknowledged them. This means your proposal was effectively made and understood by her. So, this satisfies the legal requirements of communications under the Section 4.
Next is the importance of valid considerations. So according to Section 2D, for a contract to be enforceable, it must be supported by valid considerations. So consideration actually refers to the exchange of something of value between the parties involved. So without valid considerations, a contract cannot be legally binding. So in your agreement, Rakil will provide RM 200,000 to fund the business. So in return, you offer your expertise, management skills, and control over the bakery's operation. And additionally, Rakil is entitled to a share of the profit. So this mutual exchange of value fulfills the requirements of valid considerations that making your contract actually legally enforceable. Next is the acceptance of the proposal. So first, acceptance must be communicated. So according to Section 7A of Contract Act, acceptance is only valid when it is clearly communicated to the offeror. So in this case, Rakil effectively communicated his acceptance by signing the agreement, so which serve as an explicit acknowledgement of the terms. Next, acceptance must be complete and unqualified. So according to Section 7B, the acceptance must be absolute with the terms of the offer, so without any conditions or modifications. So Rakil accepted all the terms as proposed, including the non-compete clause, so without requesting any changes. By meeting these conditions, the acceptance of your proposal solidifies the contractual relations, ensuring it is both valid and enforceable. So to conclude, Rakil actually has breached your legal rights and your contract. So Rakil's actions, such as opening a competing bakery, violated the non-compete clause in your agreement. So according to the Section 37 of the Contract Act 1950, she actually obligated to honor the terms of the agreement. So her failure to do so constitutes a breach of contract, so which entitles you to seek remedies under Section 74. So this action allows for compensations to cover any losses you have incurred due to the breach.
So what should I do next?
Raymond, based on the facts, you actually have a strong case. So here's what we need to do next. So first thing first, that you need to gather all the evidence. So we will need to collect the contracts, the lady's testimony, your financial records and advertisements from the competing bakery to support your claim and prove the breach. Next, I will prepare the case and submit it to the court. So the breach of the non-compete clause and the financial losses you have suffered will serve as the foundation for seeking damages.
Thank you, Annie. This made me feel confident to take legal actions.